Did you know that right now, hanging in some of the most famous museums in the world, there are paintings made with actual ground-up human beings? For about 300 years, European artists used a paint color called mummy brown. And yes, it was exactly what it sounds like. Real Egyptian mummies, imported by the shipload, ground into powder, mixed with oil, and sold in little tubes at your local art supply shop. Delacroix used it. Lots of painters used it. Most of them just never asked what was in the tube. Here's the part that gets me. When the painter Edward Burne-Jones finally found out what he had been painting with, he walked into his garden and gave his tube a proper burial. A funeral. For a tube of paint. The supply only ran out because they eventually ran low on mummies. Not because anyone thought it was weird. So next time you are standing in front of a masterpiece, just know the placard is leaving some things out.